Imagine you did not need to go to the court. Imagine Supreme Court came to you. Imagine you can access the justice from any corner of the country. Yes, that is future, and the wheels of that future already set in motion by Supreme Court. Greetings, this is Tanya Jaiswal. I will deliver the education on access to justice. Justice delay is equivalent to justice denied. Technically, courts are closed since the beginning of the lockdown, but cases are still filed electronically, which implies burdening the judges and increasing the pending cases. Some around 60,000 cases are pending in Supreme Court alone. Pandemic drive the natural sitting of the court, which can be opportunity for India to convert the natural sitting into the virtual one. Technology proved to be a game changer, as it provides opportunity to meet up the challenges. Supreme Court strongly defends this virtual court system as it's the best way to ensure administration of justice did not crumble in the state of pandemic, and it's the best way to fulfill the constitutional duties and even to ensure that functioning of the democracy must prevail. It is appreciable all courts itself organize itself quickly to hear the urgent matters through video conferencing. Rules relating to operation of virtual court are drafted, amended, and uploaded. The bringing of trial courts into fray initiated. When matter pertaining to life of liberty of individual, when matter pertaining to rights of individual, when matter pertaining to safety of individual, Supreme Court always come into picture. Supreme Court deliver the landmark judgment right from their homes on the various issues like maternity crisis, labor issues, and so on. Supreme Court bring Article 39A into reality, but firstly through technology, secondly through National Legal Service Authority, thirdly through mediation. There is a many factor for which I want to clap for the NALSA and a team of paralegal volunteers. The slap is salute for NALSA and paralegal volunteers for following reason. First, it successfully brings the consent of Supreme Court on overcrowding of prisoners in jails. Secondly, NALSA and a team of paralegal volunteers ensure from food to basic necessities reaches to poor and the various weaker section of the society. Thirdly, NALSA and a team of paralegal volunteers has provided legal assistance over 800 cases related to domestic violence during lockdown. It clearly reflects NALSA role to achieve fundamental rights, DPSP objective, and sustainable goals are achieved through their endeavor, hard work, and countless efforts. Mediation is a third way to access the justice. Mediation is informal but structural organized procedure successful as a dispute resolution during COVID-19. More interesting, virtual court has its some hidden indirect benefits. For instance, less stress or infrastructure, less crowd in the court, and maintain the right balance between work and the life of individual. But as always said, coin has two sides. The virtual court has its negative sides too. The biggest loophole in the virtual court system are technical glitches. Secondly, it's exclude the weaker, the underprivileged section of the society who could not afford the internet access. Thirdly, thousands of court staffs have lost their job due to lockdown. The way forward, we should focus how to make the virtual court user more friendly so that we could, our court, deliver the judgment at time. Yes, of course, there will be thousands of roadblocks and issues, but we need to resolve effectively. CJI already said, virtual court are here to stay. There will be no looking back. The future will be combination of physical and virtual court. I want to conclude here that virtual court will break the barrier, make country smaller, ensure the access of justice and monetary boundary. Therefore, future of justice looks bright, right? Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.